Tonight we're bringing some light to our garden with the help of our 2-pack of 33-foot solar string lights. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to bring some nice light to your area. Inside the box, you have your instructions, your stakes and solar panel mounts, and of course, 2 sets of 33-foot string lights. Each strand has 100 LEDs that are powered by a dainty little solar panel. On the back of the solar panel, you have your power button, as well as your mode cycling button. To get started, find an area that you'd like to light up, and grab your stakes. Push your stakes into the solar panel mounts, then slide the solar panel mount into the slot on the back of the solar panel. Adjust the tilt of the solar panel to angle towards the sun, and stake it into the ground. Then take your bundle of string lights, and hang them however you'd like. I just weaved it in and out of our garden's fence, and then did the same for the other strand. It held in place without any tools, extra ties, or mounts. That's my type of setup. Now all that's left to do is wait for the sun to charge the solar lights and see how they look at night. Nighttime came, and I went back out to the garden. Sure enough, our entryway was nicely lit, and I could see everything. It gives off a subtle cool white light, and covers a lot of area for having such tiny LED lights. It's not a spotlight by any means, but it adds enough light to your area that you can see without it being blinding or distracting. No harsh shadows or anything, just a nice white light added to your area. Then if you want to have some fun, you can cycle through the 8 different lighting modes. One of my favorites makes them twinkle and almost look like falling snow, which makes me think these would be perfect for Christmas decorations. That white light would look awesome against the snow, and the twinkling mode and other fun modes would look even cooler. So needless to say, I'm happy. I like that they aren't too bright, but when you're surrounded by them, you can see everything that you need to. So if you're looking to find your way through the dark while looking great too, these comforting white, glowing twinkle string lights might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go party in the garden. See ya! These comforting white glowing tinkle lights. Oh shit.